distinguished panelists and ladies and gentlemen. Again, for the paucity of time, let us not focus onto the presentation. Now, 2-3 things probably I'd like to bring into this forum. When we talk about security as per se in entire governance department, including e-governance as a whole. In fact, today we are discussing on NEGP Vision 2, where there was a gathering of mission leaders chaired by SecureIT, and I had a privilege to attend that meeting. So there also, the first thing came in was, you open up first. When you talk in any government department, first you please open up and then you think of all other periphery, including security and other things. So the first point I want to make it here is, security is purely, if you take one side of it, it's purely a mind. But then the other side of it, it's actually real. For an example, let's say, we all speaker, when we want to speak something, you need to refer to the slides. You need a PowerPoint slides. Similar is the case, but how do you build a PowerPoint slides unless you have some information around it? Similar is the case here. If you simply think of security, don't do anything, nothing will move. So please start working on something which is, you are thinking as a part of service delivery, as a part of improving governance, whatever you say, and that is what probably we did in the Passport Seva. Passport Seva we did started with security as a such. Though it is a national security document, it's a critical document, passport is a national sensitivity involved in it. But then the day one, if we started thinking about how do I protect my issuance of passport as a secure document, it could not have been achieved here. So those things will anyway come in. Now the other part I want to focus here is, since we are discussing on the capacity building, now various of these governments department, again, whatever you think of legacy, or you are thinking of a new applications or new improvements or new business or new service delivery. Whatever you think, you will go through a various model of approach, be it a revenue model, be it a solution architecture, be it a security deployment, there will be mix and matches. Now it's purely up to the department, how do you analyze and classify your data? That is the most important part. Unless you are yourself able to classify your data and information, and the stakeholder or the user or the service seeker to whom you want to deliver, believe me, again, security is purely a mind. You will not be able to tackle anywhere. Neither you will be able to start. So this is the another point I thought I'll make while you think of building a capacity for the security which you will be actually implementing or designing, or in the future you will be operationalizing it. The third thing, since many of these e-governance programs which will foresee in future saying that the business model will actually be, you will see there will be 80% private participation. Because without that, there is no way you will be implementing or initializing or involving in capex or opex investment. So there has to be a private participation. Now, if there is a private participation, if you have a government data which is sensitive in nature, then you need a capacity with it. Now, that capacity, again, as we are discussing in maximum fora, saying that we need to have, now this is the high time, department must have a kind of their own cadre. Unless you do that, unless you create that, and then finally probably you will be moving towards how do you actually strategically control your own sovereign resources. I think these are the 3 points I would like to leave here, and paucity of time I will not go to the presentation. Thank you.